Good morning, students. So let's start with our problems of GST, that is Goods and Service Tax. Take down illustration 2. Pass entries in the books of Mukul Roy and Sons, assuming all transactions have been entered within the state of West Bengal, charging CGST and SGST at 6% each. So in the question they have mentioned that all the transactions are within the state. So it is intra-state transaction. So here they would be CGST, SGST. They have given 6% each. तो जो भी कुछ क्वेश्चन में दिया है उसमें all your GST will be 6% for CGST and 6% for SGST. So first we have purchase goods for 1,50,000 from S Banerjee. So normal entry क्या रहती है हमारी purchases to Banerjee. But in this case we have GST, so it will be purchases account debited, input CGST account, input SGST account to Banerjee account. Next we have sold goods. It is Aditya Sangam to sales to output CGST to output SGST. Return goods to S Banerjee. हमने किससे परचेज किया था? S Banerjee से. We are returning it to S Banerjee. So S Banerjee account to purchase return, to input CGST, to input SGST. Why are we crediting input CGST and SGST? Because we have returned the goods. Then we have Aditya Sangam returned goods for 8,000. So it is sales return. Sales return account debited, output CGST, output SGST to Aditya Sangma. Paid printing and stationery. So this is expenses. So printing and stationery account debited, input CGST, SGST to cash account. Next we have goods withdrawn by proprietor for personal use. So it will be drawings account to purchases, to input CGST, to input SGST. Again, why are we crediting input CGST and SGST? Because as I had given you a special note that in some cases there would be a reverse entry. Then it is goods destroyed by fire, lost by fire to purchases, to input CGST, to input SGST. And last is payment made of balance amount of GST. This is set off. तो लास्ट एंट्री सेट ऑफ की क्या रहती है? आउटपुट CGST, आउटपुट SGST to input CGST to input SGST to bank account. So let us start. First we have journal entries in the books of Mukul Roy and Sons. So what is the format? We have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. Please see the format properly, as in exam most of them had done a mistake. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. In exam it is compulsory to write the heading, which most of you all had not written in your half yearly exam. So our first date is 1st April 2018. That is purchase goods from S Banerjee. So purchases account debited, input CGST account debited, input SGST account debited to S Banerjee account. So what is the purchases? We purchased goods for what value? It was 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 into 6% is how much? Into 6 by 100. 9,000, 9,000. And what will be the total of S Banerjee? 1,68,000. Write down the narration. Purchase goods on credit. Next entry we have 6th April 2018. Sold goods to whom? Aditya Sangma, account debited, to sales account, to output CGST account, to output SGST account. So we sold for 2,50,000. 2,50,000 into 6 by 100. 15,000 is the CGST, 15,000 is SGST, and total amount of Aditya Sangam is 2,80,000. Write the narration. Sale of goods on credit. Next we have on 8th April, return goods to S. Banerjee. So S. Banerjee account debited to purchases return to input CGST account to input SGST account. So for what value did we return the goods? 10,000. So our purchase return was 10,000. So 10,000 into 6 by 100, 600 CGST, 600 SGST. And the total for Banerjee is 11,200. Write the narration. Purchase return. Next we have on 15th April, return goods by Aditya Sangam. So sales return account debited, output CGST account debited, output SGST account debited to Aditya Sangma account. So the sales return was for how much? 8,000. So 8,000 into 6 by 100, 480, 480, and the total will be 8,960. Write down the narration. Sales return. Next we have on 18th April, paid printing and stationery. So it is an expense. Printing and stationery account debited, input CGST account debited, input SGST account debited to cash account. So how much did we purchase for? 5,000. So 5,000 into 6 by 100 is CGST. 5,000 into 6 by 100 is SGST. Total is 5,600. So what does this mean? Actual value of printing and stationery was 5,000, but we had to pay tax. Because we have paid tax, what happened to the cost of our goods? It has increased. Total cash हम कितना दिए? 5,000 plus 300 plus 300, that is 5,600. Whenever you go to any shop, next time onwards see the bill. आपको वहाँ clearly दिखेगा CGST at so much percent, SGST at so much percent. So it becomes very easy for you to understand this particular concept. Total amount कितना रहेगा, and then they add your CGST and SGST. So write down the narration. Paid for printing and stationery. Next we have on 24th April, withdrew goods for personal use. So drawings account debited to purchases account to input CGST account to input SGST account. So how much did he withdraw? Goods of 20,000. So 20,000 into 6 by 100, how much do we get? 1,200, 1,200. Total will be 22,400. Write the narration. Goods withdrawn for personal use. Next we have on 27th April, loss by fire. So loss by fire account debited to purchases account to input CGST account to input SGST account. So how much goods value was lost? 15,000. So you might be thinking, why am I not writing on loss by fire 15,000? Because जो value of goods थी वो 15,000 थी, उसके ऊपर जो tax था वो अलग था. So 15,000 into 6 by 100 we get 900 and 900. Total will be 16,800. Write the narration. Goods destroyed by fire. And last we have on 30th April, we need to set off the GST. So क्या थी उसकी entry? Output CGST account debited, output SGST account debited to input CGST account to input SGST account to bank account. After you have done this, below the table write down working note. First we need to calculate our total input CGST. कितना है? Go to a problem. 9,000 plus 300 minus 1,200 minus 900 and minus 600. So all the debit side balance will be plus and all the credit side balance will be minus. So 9,000 minus 600 plus 300 minus 1,200 minus 900. How much do we get? 6,600. Next we have total input SGST. It will be the same, 9,000 minus 600 plus 300 minus 1,200 minus 900. You need to write it again. How much do we get? 6,600. Then we have total output CGST. How much is it? 15,000 minus 480. How much do we get? 14,520. Next we have total output SGST. It is again 11,000, 14,520. So what is the net CGST paid? So net GST will be output minus input. That is 14,520 minus 6,600, 7,920. What is net SGST? It is the same, 7,920. Correct? So what is output CGST? We have calculated 14,520. 14,520 is the SGST. Input CGST is 6,600. 6,600. So what will be a bank account? जो भी net CGST and SGST मिला है, we need to add the same. 7,920 plus 7,920. We get 15,840. So what is the total? 5,42,000. 5,42,000. Clear? So there are few items in which GST नहीं होगा. So whenever in a problem they give you a sum with GST, there are certain things in which GST will not be levied. So first is amount introduced into the business by proprietor as capital. तो अगर capital business में डालेंगे, so that will not be taken into consideration. GST charge नहीं होगा. Amount withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use. Goods जब भी withdraw होंगे उसमें GST रहेगा, but when amount is withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use, there won't be any GST. Then amount deposited into the bank, amount withdrawn from bank, amount paid to creditors and discount received. तो जब भी discount दिया जाएगा या लिया जाएगा, we will not be having GST. And whenever we withdraw or deposit the money in the bank, there won't be GST. Bad debts written off and bad debts recovered, payment of wages and salary, payment of electricity and water bill, payment of travelling expenses. In such cases, GST will not be levied. So let's go on to illustration 4. Record the following transaction in the books of Ravi and Co. Assuming all transactions have been entered, charging CGST and SGST at 6% each. तो इसमें भी 6% each दिया है CGST and SGST. So first entry, started business with cash and check 4 lakh. So what is our entry? Cash account debited, bank account debited to capital account. So whenever capital is introduced by the proprietor, GST is not charged. So this will be your normal journal entry. Then we have bought goods of the list price 1 lakh from Gopal Brothers, less 20% trade discount and 5% cash discount, and paid 60% by check. So we have purchased goods here. So what's the entry for purchases? Purchases account debited, input CGST account debited, input SGST account debited. We have paid by 60% by check. So to bank account debited, to discount received account debited, and to Gopal Brothers. So what is the total purchases? It is 1 lakh rupees. In 1 lakh rupees, there is a trade discount of 20%. So less 20%. So total purchases of 80,000. So our purchases will be 80,000. What will be our input CGST and SGST? In this 80,000 we have 6% each. Then we have 60% paid by check. So 80,000 जो भी GST का amount रहेगा 4,800, 4,800. Whatever amount we get, in that 60% is paid by check. And then there is cash discount received of 5%. And the remaining will be your credit transaction. We'll be giving you a working note for the same. Next we have sold goods to Manoj and Co. for the list price 2 lakh 15%. Same thing in case of this, I will be giving you a working note. Then fourth entry we have paid to Gauri Shankar by check after deducting cash discount. So in this case we are paying Gauri Shankar by check. So whenever we are getting a discount, we will not be charging CGST and SGST. It will be your normal journal entry. Then we have electricity expenses paid by check for office and for residence proprietor 10,000. So for office, electric expenses will be debited. For residence, it is drawings account debited to bank account. Again, there won't be any GST. Paid salaries to bank, no GST. A debtor of 40,000 became bankrupt, 25% received by check. So bank account, bad debts account to Dinanath. Withdrew from bank 60,000 for office use and 20,000 for personal use. So withdrawn from bank and money withdrawn for personal use, again there won't be any GST. Received a check for a bad debt written off last year. So bank account to bad debts recovered, वापस से no charge in GST. Next we have bank account, discount allowed account. Next we have sold goods costing 60,000 to Kishore against check at a profit of 25% at trade discount. So write down journal entries in the books of Ravi and Co. So we have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So what is the first journal entry? No dates are given at serial number. Started business with cash and check. So cash account debited, bank account debited to capital account. इसमें GST charge नहीं होगा because I had already explained you that in few cases GST is not levied. So 50,000, 4 lakh, 50,000. Write down the narration. Amount introduced in the business. Next we have second entry. Bought goods for the list price of 1 lakh from Gopal Brothers less trade discount and cash discount and paid 60% by check. So first, what is the entry? We purchased goods. So purchases account debited. We have input CGST account debited. Input SGST account debited to bank account 60% paid by check. We have 5% cash discount. So discount received account to Gopal Brothers. To write the amount, after this, write down a working note. So from 1 lakh, there is a trade discount of 20%. So goods purchased are for 1 lakh less trade discount at 20%. So it is 20,000. So 80,000 is our total purchases. Add CGST at 6%. How much is it? 4,800. SGST at 6%. 4,800. So total we get 89,600. So total purchases was of 89,600, in which 60% payment in check. So 89,600 into 60 by 100, it is 53,760. And then we get a cash discount, less cash discount at 5%. How much is it? 2688. So 53,760 into 5 by 100. We get 51,072. And what will be the credit transaction? The total purchases ka 40%. So 89,600 into 40 by 100, that is 35,840. So what will be the purchases amount? It is 80,000, CGST 4,800, SGST 4,800. बैंक को कितना दिया? 60%. So 51,072. Discount received is 2,688 and credit will be 35,840. Write down the narration. Goods purchased at 20% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Why did I take the cash discount on 51,000 and not 80,000? Because 60% we made payment by check and उसके बाद हमें cash discount मिला. That is the reason we took 53,760 into 5 by 100. Write down the next one, third one. Sold goods to Manoj and Co. of the list price 2 lakh less trade discount. So Manoj and Co. account debited and 4% cash discount and received 40% by check. So it will be, in this case, Manoj and Co. account debited, discount allowed account debited, bank account debited to sales account to output CGST account to output SGST account. So what is the total sales? It was 2 lakh. 2 lakh minus 15%. So again write down working note number 2. Goods sold 2 lakh less trade discount at 15%, 30,000, 1,70,000. Add CGST at 6%, 10,200. SGST at 6%, 10,200. 1,90,400. In this 1,90,400 we paid by check. So how much? 40%. So 1,90,400 into 40 by 100 we get 76,160 less discount at 4%. So it is 76,160 into 4 by 100 we get 3,046, 73,114. And what will be a credit transaction? It is 60%. 60% of 1,90,400 into 60 by 100. So we'll get 1,14,240. For Manoj and Co. it will be 1,14,240. Discount allowed is 3,046 and bank is 73,114. Total sales is 1,70,000. 10,200 is output GST and output SGST. Write down the narration. Goods sold at 15% trade discount and 4% cash discount. Next, write down the fourth one. Paid Gauri and discount received. So whenever we are paying, we get a discount, and discount there is no GST. So Gauri Shankar account debited, bank account debited to discount received account. So how much did we pay? 95,000. And how much we had to actually pay? It was 95,000 into 100 by 95. That is 1 lakh. So how much is the discount? 5,000 rupees. Write down the narration. Settlement of rupees 1 lakh after deducting 5% cash discount. Next, paid electricity bill for office and residential. So it is electricity expenses account debited. When it is paying for residence, it is personal use. So drawings account debited to bank account. For office it was 20,000, house it was 10,000, total it is 30,000. We do not charge GST on electricity expenses and personal drawings. Write the narration. Electricity bill paid for office and residence of the proprietor. Then we have salaries. So salary में भी GST नहीं रहता है. Salaries account debited to bank account. Write the narration. Salaries paid. 25,000 debit, 25,000 credit. Next we have Dinatan, a debtor of 40,000 become bankrupt and 25 is received from the estate by check. So he had become bankrupt. So bank account debited, bad debts account debited to Dinanath. So he had to pay us how much? 40,000. And how much did he actually pay us? Only 25%. That is 10,000. So what is the bad debts? 30,000. Write down the narration. Amount received and bad debts written off. Next we have withdrew from bank and office for personal use. Cash account debited. Drawings account debited to bank account. 60,000 cash, 20,000 for personal use. Total withdrawings is 80,000. Write down the narration. Amount withdrawn for bank, for office use and personal use. Write down ninth one. Received a check for bad debt written off last year 10,000. So पिछले साल का bad debt we got it this year. So bank account debited to bad debts recovered. 10,000 debit, 10,000 credit. Write down the narration. Bad debts recovered. Last we have sold goods for 60,000, 25% on cost less trade discount, cash discount at 2%. So bank account debited, discount allowed account debited to sales account, to CGST account, to SGST account. So what is the total sales? We had profit. So 60,000 plus 25%. How much do we get? So again write down the working note. Cost is how much? 60,000. Add 25% profit. How much is it? 15,000. Total we get 75,000. Less trade discount at 10%, 7,500. That is 67,500 was actual sales. Add CGST at 6%, 4,050. SGST at 6%, 4,050. 75,600. And we get a cash discount. कितना cash discount है? 2%. So 75,600 into 2 by 100. It is 1,512. 74,088. So sales is 67,500. For 4,050 is CGST, 4,050 is SGST, 74,088 is bank, and 1,512 is discount. Write the narration. Sold goods by check. So these were the sum on interstate GST. There are few items with which GST is not levied. That is the reason those will be a normal journal entries. Tomorrow we will be seeing sums on interstate GST. So that's all for today. Thank you.